Hey guys, my name is Mase Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So guys, this month is December, guys. So it's the month of celebrations, it's the month of reuniting with the family, is the month of happiness, guys. So now I was like, this month let me make something meaningful for my family, guys. So I was like, I'm going home, guys. I'm going home in 2 weeks time. So I was like, no man, let me do something nice for my family. So I'm going to bake for them, guys. So I'm going to bake biscuit for my family, guys. So I want you to be with me, guys. I want us to go together in this journey of baking. So I'm going to make assorted biscuit, guys, for my family. So now I bought this baby, guys. I bought this baby because like what? So let me unbox this. Oh my god, it's huge. It is huge. So it's a blender, guys. It's a blender. So there's something in here. So it's a smaller blender, this one, and a big blender. I mean, like, guys, cute, hey? Cute. I mean, like, guys, oh, I am so happy. I am so happy. So guys, I'm going to make my caster sugar, guys, because like caster sugar is very expensive. So I'm going to use this to do caster sugar and everything else, guys. So please, guys, I'm going to start today. And this baby, guys. So this is my piping bags, guys. So you will see I'm going to use this to pipe my biscuits, guys. So if you want to make something nice for your family, you want to bake biscuits, or maybe you want to make a cake or something, this will come very handy, guys. So let's do this, guys. Let me start by making caster sugar, guys, because like if I have this machine, if I have this beast, I don't need to go to shop and buy caster sugar. I don't need to go to shop to buy ice and sugar. So yeah, guys, let's make caster sugar. So guys, here's my sugar. I'm going to make it fine, guys, for my biscuits, because like when you use a sugar like this, sometimes when you eat biscuit, you will taste that texture, guys. Caster sugar, guys, is fine. So it's better to use caster sugar when you make biscuits, guys. So let me put this in here. So here's my sugar, guys. So I'm going to blend it to be fine, because today we are making biscuits, guys. So let's blend it. I'm going to put it here. This is our caster sugar, guys. Some are calling it powder sugar. So we don't want to make it fine, because now when it's fine, is the icing sugar. So now we want caster sugar. So it will be like a little bit rough, but fine. So yeah, guys, my next video, it will be me mixing our biscuits then. See you on my next video, guys.